Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka principal jong ka Saint Margaret Higher Secondary School ka sister Maria A Thapa kalaong bakamdon daga waypan kalat Lait na ka Jingtrei Shitom ban poi siya ka Thong. Ya kani kalakran siya kilat batay kubor hadien bah nyongot kikna bayakon ya ka exam SSLC na po kani ka school kilayo ya ka top 20 hak bakaway na pedeng jongki kilayo hak ka dan baningkong. Hak jingakran bat kilat batay kubor kalaong baka school kasngo sarong hababaro shispa handungot kikna kibayakon ya ka exam SSLC kila pass lot badru na pedeng kini hadu nyongot kila poi hak ka dan top 20. Ka principal kalaong ru baban poi siya ka Thong don kam ban Shitom ban du thia du dam bat ban yale ban bu siya dien ban yale kai game hakifon habayo ban ekran bat karan chita pol ka bawan hakadan ko hendriu kalayaro ikino hikai jong ka school Saint Margaret namar kilong ki bakloi baneram bat kum juru ya ka school ka ba aila de khna bane shimenta hakiwei pat ki jing hikai ha ka school nalor ka jing hikai hakikot puli kalaong ru ba ka jingla jong ka ban poi siya ka Thong kadai namar ba ka pende jingmut bha hakijing puli nadu ka mensim.
I feel so overwhelmed. Certainly, all of us got good results, but I didn't expect such a good result. But I'm happy, very, very happy.
How is the performance of all of the school, St. Margaret School?
Very good. Like I have been studying in St. Margaret since class nursery, and I know everything. St. Margaret's is my second home after my family. So this is a very different experience that I got this, and I can make all the sisters and all the teachers proud. I'm so happy.
So,
probably take humanities and prepare for different competitive exams.
Well, here in the school only, or in some other school?
The schools, I'll try in every school.
how was your preparation for this?
I'll say we need to trust in God before we trust ourselves. He is the one who will help us always. And if talking about preparation, I'll say to be honest with oneself. Like when we are studying, we should not get any other distraction but only study. If we are studying for 2 hours, we need to study wholeheartedly in those 2 hours. So I think studying wholeheartedly and honestly is like what I followed. I think every student should follow that. First, the teachers are here brilliant. Like, if one word, brilliant. Like, they taught me everything. If I have any doubt, they are always here to help. I think the school community has always encouraged students to participate in extracurricular activities as well as keep studies in a balance. So I think how sister has taught us, how the teachers have taught us, is just impeccable.
Okay, how many hours did you put in your studies?
If I have to say, in the first few months of when the academic session of 2024 started, I studied for 4 hours maximum, but till like the last few months, 16.
Yes, at the start, many teachers were around here. I saw some teachers crying, even shedding tears out of joy. So it's a matter of pride for us, and we are very happy that we got 7 positions in the state. And our neighboring school, who are our sister school like Little Flower and Stephen Memorial too, has received 2 ranks and 1 there. So overall, we have 10 ranks in our province.
So what is your message to
Work.
future?
There is no other substitute to hard work. So you have to have sleepless nights. You have to put extra efforts. You have to forego your games, mobile games or whatever games you want to play, and you have to put effort. Then you will get good result. 106 of them wrote, all of them passed. Yeah.